Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I am going to be restoring the operating system on this motion computing tablet PC. And I've never showed this on the channel before. I got it a while ago and I haven't gotten around to restoring this. And as you can see, it says Windows XP Tablet PC Edition 2000. Never, it doesn't say 2005, but you can also see down here that this also belonged to a company of some sort, which is interesting. Now, this here is the battery extension pack, or yeah, I guess so, because there's also another battery up here that is installed. So there's two batteries in this. One of them is an extra battery that was installed in here. So as you can see here, the LCD is not in the best shape. Some peeling here, detaching from the within the layers, but the point is to get this restored to factory settings, so that's what I'm going to do. So I have a USB optical drive here that doesn't close. It's the only one that works with it. And I have a USB keyboard, which I'll need as well for the Windows XP setup. Stylus is going to be the mouse. So I'm going to put the keyboard right here. And I'm gonna need a power adapter as well. Got this Toshiba one here that works. So as you can see, it's charging. And put the operating system disk into the optical drive. And these disks came with instructions on them. And it says to run the operating system disk and then run the driver disk after it's all installed, after the operating system is installed. So let's close this and turn it on. And camera angle isn't the best, but you can go to CD-ROM, and this is the enter key. So it's gonna take a little bit to boot up here, but yeah, I never thought I was gonna get one of these. The YouTuber Michael MJD showcased one of these, a slightly different model on his channel, and is running the same operating system. So I thought that was interesting. So when I got this, it was running Windows 7 Home Premium, an unactivated version. It's still running it right now because hard drive isn't wiped. But it had almost no drivers on it. It wasn't activated, like I said, and it was just kind of inconvenient to use because of the lack of drivers. So, cat is meowing at my door, but can't let him out now because I'm holding the optical drive door closed. So I have a Fujitsu 2-in-1 laptop from, I think, the late 2000s, and it uses the same technology for the stylus, a Wacom tablet to, I guess, Surface or Wacom tablet hardware for the touch screen. Although that one is missing the stylus, and it's a little bit broken in places. The screen latch is broken, and that one actually supports finger touch, which is pretty cool. So, but anyways, it's just I'm gonna cut to when this finishes loading the files, so I'll be back. So I'm in the computer's in the Windows XP setup, and keyboard should work. Yep. And let's do format the. Honestly, I don't know. Long format is going to take forever, so I'm going to do a quick one and format the drive to press F. So it's formatting. Seen this. You guys have seen this formatting screen almost a million times at this point, so there's no point in showing it. So, oh well, it just finished. So, but it's installing the files right now, and I'm going to cut once it boots into the second phase of the setup, and I'll be back. Okay, so the computer stopped reading from the DVD that I burned, which is weird. So, yeah, pretty strange. But I'm going to cut straight to the second phase of the setup, or cut back to the BIOS screen here if it doesn't work. So I hope it works. Okay, so the operating system wasn't installing, so after a while I took the disk out and I noticed a little bit of the DVD was detaching. The layers were detaching from right there, and that's touching. Well, part of that detaching is on the area of the burned area of the disc. So that disc is toast. So I got this new one, and I'm gonna try again, and kept getting stuck at 45%. So yeah, let's just hope that it doesn't break, or that it completes the installation. So I'm gonna go to the boot device. And I'll be back once it reaches around 45%. So, yeah. Okay, so almost we're at 40. It's at 45% and it's working. So, I guess the other CD was really the problem. I was really tensed up for those few seconds, but it worked. So I'm gonna let the installation continue, and I'll see you guys once the computer's at the second phase of the setup. And got farther this time. And this is the exact same problem I had last time, where let's take the disk out. Let's see. Disk looks fine. I mean, I don't see any problems with it. Yeah, I don't see any problems. If I put the other disc in, does that work? I mean, it could be the optical drive's problem too. I mean, I'm not sure if it even knows there's a disc inside. I mean, it's not even attempting to check if there's a disc at all. So I'm gonna try again off camera, and if that doesn't work, then I don't know. Okay, so I burned a new disc. I was trying for about half an hour to get it to install, and I only got it to 51% copied files in the last clip, and that was the highest I ever got. The second highest was 44%, and I don't know. This is going to have to I'm going to turn this into a multi-part series because I do not have time right now to finish this. I got to go somewhere. But, yeah, this disc is inconsistent because you just saw that, well, yeah, you can see that it's stuck at 34%. Sometimes it will be stuck on loading the whole setup disc, or sometimes, 7%, 8%, 18%, 34%, like here, 44%. It's very inconsistent. So I'm starting to think that it could be the optical drive. Actually, I don't think so. I think it could still be the disc, because this other disc here, this damaged one, it always got stuck at 45%. This one is getting stuck at specific ones at different times. So I think this disc is bad too. I'm not sure if it's the burning speed. I think I gotta change the burning speed on the computer I'm using to burn these discs. But yeah. So yeah, next video will be the part 2, which will hopefully go much better. It's unfortunate that this video has to be a shorter one, but just don't have the time to do it, to continue this video today. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, part 1 of part 2, and I'll see you guys in the next video.